Welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I am going to talk about the lists. So let's start. Suppose I take 5 subjects. Subjects equals to, always remember when you are writing a list, you have to use bracket. So it's a string, so double quotation. Suppose I write Java. Then I write SQL. Then I write DBMS. Then I write suppose C, and last let it be C++. Now let me do one thing. Let's print subjects. Let's see what's the output. See, the output is Java, SQL, DBMS, C and C++. Okay. Now let's see some more things. Suppose I do print subjects. Let me use 0 here. 0. Always remember, in a list the Java will be 0. The starting will be always from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. The starting will be always from 0. Just remember this. See, the output is Java. I said already. Okay. Now let's check another thing. Let's check another thing. Suppose I give here from 2, 4. Okay. Means it will start from 2 and end in 4. And let me give here negative value, -1. See, another thing you have to remember, if it is negative value, it will start from here. I have written C++. This is -1, -2. It will go this way. Okay. Starting point will always be 0. And if there is an ending point, it will always be -1. Just remember these things. Okay. Now let's check. See, DBMS and C, 2 to 4. 2 to 4 means not 4 up to 3. So DBMS and C. Okay. Are you getting my point? Now I will show you another thing. Now I will show you if it is the subject which I will enter is in the list or not. Suppose I give here Python. Here Python in subjects. Python in subjects. The answer will all be false because it is not there. It will return a boolean because I am using in here. So it will always return boolean. So let me show you another thing. If I write here Java, suppose I write here Java. Now what should be the output? It should be true. Yes, it's true because Java is already placed here. Suppose if I write here Java not in subjects. If I write this in or not in and not in, Let's see what's the output. Output is false because Java is there. I have written not. If I write here Python not. See, it will be true because Python is not there. So the output will be true. Okay. Now I will show you how can you add. If I want to add in the subjects column Python, so how can I add that? So you have to do this. Subjects plus subject plus bracket open, I write here Python. Python. Okay, I'm writing here Python. Now let's see what should be the output. See, it's adding Python. So you can add a subject in the list by this. So suppose you want to give here a number, another number. Suppose you want to give here 23. See, 23 is also added. A number is also added here. So by this we complete this video. Thank you.